Welcome to the tea factory. The process of tea manufacture consists of several stages. The first stage is withering, which means the removal of moisture. The leaf is spread on the withering troughs, and high velocity fans blow air through the leaves, whereby 30% of moisture is removed. The withered leaf is then passed through a tube to the rotor vane below. The rotor vane is a machine which crushes and squeezes the leaf. The leaf coming out of the rotor vane then enters the CTC machines. CTC means cutting, turning and curling. These machines, which are 5 in number, have sharp rollers on them. They cut, turn and curl the leaf while it passes through them. After the CTC, the leaf enters the Ooty, which imparts heaviness to the tea while the tea rubs on its surface while passing through it. The tea then enters the oxidation area, where it is collected in stainless steel trays and allowed to remain there for almost an hour. During oxidation, the enzymes in the tea react with the oxygen in the atmosphere and changes in color and smell take place. The green colored tea drying takes almost 16 minutes. After the tea is dried, it assumes a black color as seen in the market. The last 3 stages are cleaning, grading and packing. The fiber in the tea is from the leaf stalk is removed to the fiber mat. The teas are later graded according to size in a grader, there is a leaf grader and dust grader. The teas are later packed and sent for sale. The factory has for sale different types of teas. There are regular, strong, medium and light teas, flavored teas like cardamom.
मसाला ठीक कसा आहे?
नो प्रॉब्लम।
इलायची टी अच्छा है ना?
हाँ अच्छी है भैया, अंदर पिए नहीं अच्छे।
उधर कौन से है?
ये नीलगिरी का तेल।
एवढं येतं
मस्कुलर और एक चम्मच है, एक चम्मच नारियल तेल मिक्स करो लगाओ।
इसके साथ एक चम्मच नारियल तेल को मिक्स करना இது எப்படி இது தேங்காய்
100 கிராம் தேங்காய் எண்ணெயில 2 ஸ்பூன் கலந்து வாரத்துல 3 நாள்
इसके लिए